Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Everybody ready with your SST books?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning. Good morning. Today we are going to start new chapter. Yes. Chapter number?
Ma'am, 16.
16.
Very good.
16.
Everybody open up your books.
Okay, ma'am. In another place that is okay.
Page number 102. Who is going to, first of all, we are going to read this chapter. So everyone will read. Let's start from Varin.
The northern plains and desert region. Let's learn about the importance of northern plains, culture of the region, important cities of the states in the northern plains and the desert region of India. Key terms. Northern plains, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Punjab, Delhi, Bihar. The northern plains of India extended from the south of the Himalayas to the north of the Deccan Plateau. The region is drained by many important rivers that originates in the Himalayas. The Ganga, which is the largest river in India, along with its tributaries flow through the northern plains. The other rivers are Brahmaputra and Indus and their tributaries. The plains are made of fertile alluvial soil. The fertile soil of the northern plains is ideal for the cultivation of wheat and rice. Therefore, northern plains are also known as the food bowl of India.
Everybody underline this line. Underline it. The fertile soil of northern plains is ideal for cultivation of wheat and rice.
Importance
Okay,
of the
that's all.
northern
That's all.
plains.
That's all, Varun. Utsav.
Okay.
Importance of the northern plains. The plains are made of fertile alluvial soil which is good for the cultivation of crops. Hence, this region is densely populated. The northern plains receive an adequate amount of rainfall which makes the rivers perennial. The rivers of the northern plains are navigable, therefore they are used as inland waterways. The flatness of the northern plains makes it ideal for agriculture and irrigation. The northern plains have some of the most thickly populated states of India, such as Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Let us now learn about some of the states of India in northern plains.
Okay, that's all. Seth.
The states of the northern plains. Punjab. Punjab is a state situated in the northwest part of the India. Punjab was separated from Haryana in 1966. Chandigarh is their common capital.
Underline
The
this
word
line also. Chandigarh is their common capital.
the word Punjab means a land of 5 rivers. The river Ravi, Satluj, and the bees flow through the state. Chenab and Jhelum do not flow through the India part of the Punjab province. The climate in Punjab is very cold in winter and very hot and dry in summer. The soil is fertile and many crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and mustard grow here. Agriculture, dairy farming and the poultry farming are important occupation of the people in Punjab. Some of the most delicious food item of the Punjab are sarson ka saag and with makke ki roti and the parathas with white butter and lassi. Uh, Vaisakhi and Lohri are the important festival celebrated here. The
Okay, that's
importance
all,
of
beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lakshita.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, the important cities of Punjab are Ludhiana, Amritsar, and Jalandhar. Jalandhar. The famous Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar. Most people living in Punjab speak Punjabi. Bhangra and Gidda are some of the famous dances that originated in the Punjab. Pulkhari is a traditional embroidery of Punjab, Haryana. Haryana is a state in the north central region of India. The land here is flat and fertile. It has dry, hot climate, summer being hot and winter being cold. Many canals have been built to bring water from different rivers to irrigate the land. The main crops grown here are wheat, rice, and cotton. The state also produces sugarcane, mustard mustard seeds, corn, and potato.
Okay, beta, that's
There
all.
are
Kushagra. Kushagra Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Your turn.
Haryana is state in the north central region of
Kushag.
India. Yes,
Kushag.
ma'am.
Where are you
Yes,
reading
ma'am.
from?
Ma'am, from Haryana.
No, you have
Ma'am,
to
where
read.
Lakshya started.
Lakshita has read this paragraph. You have to read from the next one.
Okay, ma'am. These are many important cities and towns in Haryana. Gurugram, which is the industrial hub of India, is situated in this state. Other places of importance are Faridabad, which is an industrial town, Ambala and Karnal, Kurukshetra and Panipat are places of historical importance and attract many tourists. The main occupation of people in Haryana is agriculture. Other industries are farm machines and tractor manufacturing. Cotton and sugar industries, Haryana, cotton and sugar industries. Haryana is famous for its dairy. Done.
Okay, it's dairy products. Then we have Krishna Jaiswal. He's there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Krishna, your turn.
The national capital of NC of Delhi is bounded by Haryana in the northwest and the south of Uttar Pradesh in the east. New Delhi is the national capital of India. It is located in north central of India.
Okay,
It
underline
is
this line, beta. Everybody underline it.
Ma'am, which
It-
line we have to underline?
New Delhi is the national capital of India and it is located in the north central India. Where is Delhi located? Delhi is located in the north
North
central
Central India.
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 Yes.
Ma'am, North Central India.
It's a part of the National Capital of Region NCR, which also comprise some part of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Delhi is both union territories and a state of the
Okay.
government by
Underline this one also. Delhi is both a union territory and a state. Underline it. It is governed by a lieutenant governor who is assisted by a chief minister. This is very important. You might
Ma'am,
get
you have to
it in,
underline it.
yes, the whole line. It is governed by whom?
Chief Minister.
Chief Minister.
Ma'am, Lieutenant Governor. Chief Governor.
Okay, it's called lieutenant.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Lieutenant Governor is ma'am who is Chief Minister.
Who is assisted by a chief minister. Who helps the lieutenant governor? Lieutenant governor is helped by a
Chief Minister.
minister.
Ma'am, Chief
Yes.
Minister.
Okay. After Krishna Jaiswal, we have Jayesh. Jayesh, it's your turn. Jayesh, you're not there? Okay, Iram.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have joined late, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell me the page number?
We are on page number 104. Third paragraph of Delhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Iram.
There are many important offices in and around Delhi. A large number of people from the other states of India go there to live and work. Many monuments attract tourists from all over the world to Delhi. Some of these important historical places are the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Humayun Tomb, Rajghat, Jantar Mantar, Jama Masjid and the Akshardham Temple. The President and the Prime Minister of India live in New Delhi. The President lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Prime Minister and his cabinet of ministers meet in the Parliament House or Sansad Bhavan.
Okay, that's all. Then after Iram Nas, we have Dev Arya. Dev Arya is there? Okay, Abhimanyu, you can. Okay,
Ma'am,
Dev
I
Arya
am
is
there.
there.
Ma'am,
Dev,
I
it's-
have to read. Ma'am, I have to read.
Dev, your signals are not, your signals are very weak.
Same.
Yes? Okay, Dev, beta, please mute yourself. We are not being able to listen to you.
For the another one.
Dev, please mute yourself, beta. Abhimanyu, start reading.
Delhi has some of India's most famous educational institutions such as Jamia Millia Islamia, University of Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru University, National School of Drama, All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS and the Indira Gandhi National Open University. Delhi experiences an extreme climate which is very hot in summer and cold in winter. Wheat and many other vegetables are grown here. Hindi is the dominant language in Delhi.
All right, that's all. Then now, starting with Uttar Pradesh. Agrim Verma is there. Agrim Verma, Ashvik Agarwal. Ashvik. Yes, Ashvik, start from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India. It is also the fourth largest state of India. Lucknow is its capital. The state has many rivers flowing through it, namely the Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Betwa, and Chambal. The climate in Uttar Pradesh is generally warm, with the rainy seasons lasting from June to September. The land here is flat and fertile and hence produces crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and maize. The state also produces a delicious variety of mangoes known as langda.
All right, that's all. Now whose turn? Now we have Varin again. Varin, you have to start once again.
Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. The famous Taj Mahal is located in Agra and it attracts tourists from all over the world. Kanpur is famous for the textile, chemicals, leather, and engineering.
Beta chemicals. It is called chemicals.
Chemicals, leather, and engineering industries. Hindi and Urdu are the dominant language of Uttar Pradesh. Kathak, a famous classical dance, originates in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for its handicrafts such as silk saris, the brocade designs of Banarsi, chicken embroidered of Lucknow, carpentry in
Saharanpur.
Saharanpur, and bars of
Brass
Muradabad.
work of Muradabad.
Brass work of Muradabad.
All
Factpedia,
right.
Uttar Pradesh is famous
That's all.
for.
That's all. Okay, Anshuman, you didn't get your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to read from
Ma'am,
Bihar.
I have to write Bihar. Bihar lies in the eastern part of India. It is bordered by Nepal to the north, West Bengal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the west, and Jharkhand in the south. Patna is the capital of Bihar. In 2000, a new state called Jharkhand was carved out of the southern parts of Bihar. The major rivers flow through the state are Ganga, Gandak, Koshi, and Son. Bihar has three main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. As the state has many rivers, the fertile and as a state has many rivers, the fertile soil is used for the cultivation of crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Rice, pulses, and vegetables from the staple food of Bihar. Litti Chokha is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. Bihar is famous for the
Madhubani paintings. The people also make cane and bamboo articles and duris.
Daris.
Daris. Bhagalpur is famous for its fine quality silk. Bihar has the many places of historical importance which attract a lot of tourists. Gautam Buddha spent many years living in preaching in Bodh Gaya, a city in Bihar. Nalanda, an ancient Buddhist monastery, is also situated in Bihar.
Okay, that's all. Now whose turn? It's Utsav's turn. Utsav, you are muted, beta.
West Bengal. West Bengal is situated in the eastern part of India. The state has a unique location with the Himalayas in the north and the Bay of Bengal in the south. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is situated on the east bank of river Hooghly, which is distributary of the river Ganga. It flows into the Bay of Bengal along with the river Brahmaputra, forming the Sundarbans. West Bengal is one of the largest producers of rice and jute in India. The hilly areas in the north are famous for producing fine quality tea. Wheat, potatoes, and mangoes are also cultivated here. The Sundarbans are home to the Royal Bengal tigers. Rice and fish are the staple food of West Bengal. The state is also famous for its sweets, rasgullas, and Sandesh. Bengali is the main language spoken in West Bengal. There are
All
many
right,
places
that's
to
all.
visit.
That's all. Now, whose turn is it? Rachit Singh. Rachit Singh, you didn't get your turn. Rachit is there? No. Seems to be missing. Then we have, whom do we have now? Jayesh. Lakshita, yes. Lakshita is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please can you tell ma'am in West Bengal, ma'am, where we are?
Third paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. There are many places to visit in West Bengal. The places of interest in the capital city of Kolkata are Victoria Memorial, Bot, Boating, Botanical Gardens,
Beta, it's
and
botanical.
the
Botanical gardens.
okay, ma'am. Botanical Gardens and the Kali Ghat Kali Temple. The famous Havra Bridge is built across the river Hooghly. Darjeeling, a hill station in the north of West Bengal, also attracts tourists. Since
Shanti
Shanti
Niketan.
Niketan is in Kolkata, has a famous university which was set up by the famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. West Bengal is also famous for the beautiful hand stitched
Kantha.
Kanatha work which is done on silk and cotton fabrics.
All right,
The
that's all.
city of the city
That's
of
all.
joy,
That's all, beta.
Kolkata. Kolkata, earlier
Lakshita, that's
known
all.
as the Calcutta, is the capital
Lakshita.
city of West Bengal. It's situated on the
Okay.
east bank of River Hooghly. Ma'am, Kolkata was
Okay, now we have Jayesh. Jayesh, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The city of joy, Kolkata.
Kolkata, earlier known as Calcutta, is the capital city of West Bengal. It is situated on the east bank of River Hooghly. Kolkata was the former capital of British India and is presently one of the biggest urban centers in India. It has a number of manufacturing industries. The jute processing industries of Kolkata is one of the India's largest. A large number of people in Kolkata are engaged in trade and commerce.
And commerce.
However, however, many people are also work in the government, educational and medical institution. Kolkata was the first city to have underground metro rail system in India. Other means of transport are trains and buses. The Kolkata tram is one of the kinds no other city in India has a train network. The bridges built across the river Hooghly transport a large number of people to the towns located in the west of Kolkata. Kolkata has two major ports of India. The port of Kolkata was constructed by British. It is one of the oldest part of India. The port of Haldia, located near the mouth of river Hooghly, is also base for a Indian Coast Guard.
All right. Now, children, this is a very important, the last paragraph of Kolkata, that Kolkata has got two major ports. Everybody underline these two lines. The port of Kolkata and the port of Haldia. Then next, coming on to the desert region. Now who's going to read? Iram, it's your turn.
The desert region. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. A large part of Rajasthan lies in the Thar Desert. Rajasthan and Gujarat. Rajasthan, known as the desert state, is located in the desert region. The climate in this region remains very hot and dry throughout the year. While temperatures are high during the day and nights are also always cool. Agriculture, sheep rearing, textile printing, tourism and making handicrafts are the main occupation of the people of Rajasthan. Farmers grow bajra and oil seeds due to the
Scarcity. Due to the scarcity
of water, people sometimes move in groups from one place to another looking for water. These people are called Banjaras. The people of Rajasthan speak Hindi and Rajasthani. Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Chittorgarh have famous forts. The state of Gujarat lies in western India. Gandhinagar is its capital. Farming is the main occupation of the people. The crops grown here are jowar, bajra, cotton, oil seeds, sugarcane and wheat. Rann of Kutch is known for its embroidered clothes. The desert region is also known for animals like the wild ass and the desert fox.
All right. Now next, whose turn to read? Abhimanyu, in a nutshell. Read out in a nutshell.
The northern plains
It's my
extend
turn.
between
Ma'am,
the
it's my turn.
Beta, earlier also, before you, it was Abhimanyu who read. Because you were not there.
The northern plains extend between the south of the Himalayas to the north of the Deccan Plateau. The states located in the northern plains are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. The northern plains have many navigable rivers that are suitable for both irrigation and transportation. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. Rajasthan is located in the Great Indian Desert region.
All right. Now coming on to the fill in the blanks.
And I have done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Everyone has done it?
I have also done.
Okay. Even if
Ma'am,
we
I
have
also
done, even
we have done.
no problem. Even if we have done, we are going to do it once again. We have to do it once again, children. Okay. Now, the first one, Dash in Uttar Pradesh is famous for chicken work.
Ma'am,
Lucknow.
Ma'am,
Yes, it's
Lucknow.
Lucknow is famous for its chicken work. Then, Dash is the hand embroidery famous in Punjab. Yes, it's Fulkari. Dash is a tributary of the river Ganga. What is a tributary?
Please distributary.
Okay, it's Yamuna. It's not Hooghly, it's Yamuna. Okay. Then Dash is the capital of Bihar. Gurugram is located in
Haryana.
it's Haryana. The Dash Desert stretches from the run of Huh? Beta? Yes, I left. Gurugram is located in Haryana. And the last one, the Thar Desert stretches from the run of Kutch to borders of Haryana. Then match the following. Bihar matches to which of the following? Litti Chokha. Uttar Pradesh. West Bengal. Punjab. And Rajasthan.
Desert state.
Good.
Rajasthan Desert State.
Now, a famous dance of Punjab. Famous painting of Bihar.
Madhubani painting.
All right. Last year, you drew this Madhubani painting in school in your drawing period, didn't you? No, you did? This Madhubani art and all?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right.
No, ma'am.
Who has done?
Ma'am, one day I have made a Madhubani painting.
Okay.
Ma'am,
in
I
school
also.
only?
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, in
Or-
school.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
you
is
people
like,
did. I remember you people did.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, it
Ma'am,
is
I
like ma'am, historical, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when at that time when you did this painting, did you know that it is from Bihar?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Now this year or next year again, when you're going to draw, then you would know it that this painting
Yes,
is
ma'am.
from Bihar.
Because we have done.
Yes. A famous hand embroidery practiced in West Bengal.
Kanita. Kanita.
Ma'am, Kantha work. Ma'am, Kantha work.
It's Kantha. Rajghat is located here.
Ma'am,
Delhi. Ma'am, Delhi. Ma'am, Delhi. Ma'am, New Delhi.
A city located on the east bank of the river Hooghly.
Ma'am, Kolkata.
Ma'am, Kolkata. Ma'am, Kolkata. Ma'am,
Very
Kolkata.
nice. It's Kolkata. Now,
Ma'am, I can
children,
show a Madhubani painting.
so
I'm from Google.
Ma'am, we can see it properly.
yes, we can't see
They
it.
can, ma'am, they can ma'am, understand what is Madhubani painting.
Yes, 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 yes. Children, you want me to share a screen with you, showing you Madhubani art?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can see. Ma'am, we can only see ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, we
see.
can only see.
Ma'am, I don't. I cannot see.
You cannot see?
Now we can see.
Now I can see.
Ma'am, now
Ma'am, now I
I
can see the Madhubani painting.
Now see, I'll show you different pictures. See how it is. What kind of art
Ma'am,
it
it is very beautiful.
Yes, and it is very tough to make also. So we have these different kinds of drawings in Madhubani art.
Ma'am, in the before two paintings, ma'am, I have seen Krishnji. Ma'am, in that picture, I have seen the that he is wearing the kind of dress of old man.
Okay. So
And
this
less
is,
than 1 minute.
yes, now it's 1 minute left.
Ma'am, less than 1 minute.
Now children, this is the longest chapter we have done so far from this book. This
Yes,
chapter
ma'am.
has been the longest. Now next period again you have with me. So we are going to take up a quiz from this chapter. Okay?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So see you then in the next class now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.